Welcome back to Selfcare Karen. Today we are going to be tapping to work through the stress and strain of dealing with builders and all the different tradespeople that you have to deal with in general when you're doing home renovations. It really has been a hot minute since I've made any home improvements that have required a builder, but I still remember how it was when I did, how much it tested my patience, how much it stressed me out, how much it caused me anxiety. I am holding space for you today, so please lean into this healing and positive energy, and let's start our tapping session. If you are new to tapping, then just check out this video here, or you can just follow along. Just do what I do and do what I say. So start by taking a deep breath and try to relax. You need to assume complete accountability for your own self-care and for your own well-being. You can change out any of the words so that the words that you're saying better resonate with your own feelings and your own experiences. And let's start by tapping on the karate chop point, which is the side of our hand here. And just repeat after me. Even though having builders or tradespeople in my home can be really stressful and overwhelming, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel about this situation. Even though the noise, mess and disruption from home improvements can be tough to handle, I choose to find peace and calm within myself. Even though I feel anxious and strained with all the chaos of home renovations, I acknowledge these feelings and I'm open to releasing this stress from my mind and from my body. Okay, let's move to the eyebrow. The constant hassle and disruption is driving me crazy. Side of eye. I can't seem to relax with all this commotion. Under eye. It feels like my home is in chaos. Excuse me. Under nose. I just want everything to be back to normal. Chin. But I know it's necessary for these improvements. Collarbone. I choose to find moments of peace amongst the chaos. Underarm. I release the tension in my body. Top of head. And I allow myself to breathe deeply. Eyebrow. I trust that this will all be worth it in the end. Side of eye. I remind myself of the beautiful changes coming. Under eye. I release any attachment to how things should be. Under nose. Instead, I focus on what I can control. Chin. Like maintaining my own sense of calm. Collarbone. I choose to communicate my needs clearly. Sorry about the screaming in the background. I live next to a school and they're very noisy. Underarm. And to take breaks when I need them. Top of head. I allow myself to find joy in the progress being made. eyebrow. I release any resistance to this progress. Side of eye. I surrender to the flow of transformation. Under eye. My home is becoming a better place for me. Under nose. I appreciate the hard work of the builders. Chin. And I honour the patience within myself. Collarbone. I choose to focus on gratitude. Underarm. For the opportunity to improve my space. Top of head. And for the strength to navigate through this time with ease in all that I am and in all that I am becoming. Stop tapping. Breathe in deeply and breathe out. Thank you for tapping with me today. Take a look at the video description for information about the EFT resources I have available for you, and I will link my EFT playlist on YouTube up here. Remember, you are in perfect time. See you soon.